I'm Bridget Shams, and I am a patient of Lakeshore Dental Studio. First, I had the annual checkup, the flossing, cleaning, everything, and then I was just unhappy with my bite. He talked to me about how we can realign, but obviously not put braces back on. I was like, okay, let's go for it. When this process was done, it only took 6 months, and I was really impressed with the results. I have people say, oh, you have a beautiful mouth. They say you have beautiful teeth. So now when I take photos, I'm extra confident, and they are looking good, and people are noticing. The staff is very friendly and kind. It was a memorable experience. I had my first dental appointment here, and I called after. I'm like, did they floss my teeth? And they're like, yeah, of course we did. And I'm like, are you sure? And I'm like, I didn't even notice them flossing my teeth because we're having such great conversation. It was really high tech. I never had a scanner in my mouth take those kind of images before. It's next level.